Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So there are two topics here, but this is a phone system update. So first up, for those of you in the UK KYC Legacy 10 DLC UK numbers. So effective 31st of October, all UK 10-digit loan code numbers will need to have a UK bundle link to them. The numbers which would not have that would not be able to send out. Essentially, there's a new regulation in the UK that says if you don't have an address bundle or regulatory bundle is what they call it. Essentially, I think it varies by country, but essentially it's where you have to submit documents that prove that you are generally in that country or have rights to have a number in that country, something like that. Basically, you need to submit that. So sub-accounts with legacy UK numbers, that means numbers that do not have those bundles with them will be flagged and a new badge will appear. So you can see right here, it says UK bundle required. And then what you can do is you can actually go in and either select an existing bundle that you've created, or of course you can create a new one. So that is that. Now, up for everybody, and I think everyone will love this, is a new messaging error trigger. So in the workflow builder, you can now actually trigger on specific error codes when sending out SMS messages. And so what you can see right here is there's a trigger right here. It says, hey, look, if there's a messaging error, and then you can do a condition around it and say, look, if the error code is, and now you can do all of the different ones that exist. So here we have 30,007 security violation, 30,034, which is an A2P registration pending, 30,005. You can read all of these, but basically toll-free number, user inactive, user unreachable, does not want SMS D&D enabled, or landline. And the idea here is instead of just having a generic sort of message didn't work kind of error, now you can subsort and decide what you want to do based specifically around those error messages that come up. So that is now inside the workflow builder and should make your life a lot easier when you're trying to do things like, for example, a lot of people will say, well, if I send to a landline, I want to just automatically D&D that person. Well, now you can do that, because instead of saying, for example, maybe it's like a toll-free number not verified or user inactive kind of thing, maybe you wouldn't want a D&D around that, but a landline you would. Now you can differentiate between the two of those. Obviously, there is a change logs on both of these, and there's a support doc here, help.gohighlevel.com. If you search messaging error code, you will find it, and you can learn all about the trigger. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.